Hello there everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can push any script in the background of a server and let it run until it is finished, or let it run indefinitely as you design it to be, and it will be running in the background of any Linux server that you have. And even if you disconnect from any terminal or any SSH session, it will continue to run regardless. So let me show you how this actually works, and for this we are going to use the screen command, as you can already see on my screen. And this screen command allows us to create a session, and inside of the session we will be able to run our scripts or commands that we want to run, and we can push the session in the background using some shortcuts. And at first you have to go to the directory or folder where you want to run the script or any command from. And I am already inside of the folder that I want to execute it from. And if I type ls, we will be able to see that we have some Python files that I'm going to run. And let's start a screen session by typing screen, and here we are inside of a screen session. And what you have to do here is you have to type the command that you want to run. So I'm going to run a file named mention portfolio .py, and if I press enter it will start. And remember that we are currently inside of a screen session, so you have to enter a shortcut to detach from it. And the shortcut for the detachment process, or to pushing it to the background process, is Ctrl A together pressed, and then release the buttons and then press D separately. So I'm going to press enter, then Ctrl A and D, and here you can see we are now detached from this screen session. So you might be wondering, how do we actually access this session? So we have the command screen minus ls to display the screen that we have. And here you can see we have two detached screen, and each of them have an ID. So in order to connect to any existing screen session, you have to type screen minus or hyphen r space the ID of the screen that you want to connect to. For example, here we have been connecting to the last one. For example, here you can see 115.8818. So I'm going to type 115.818, and if I press enter, I think I missed something here. Yeah, 88. So here you can see, as soon as I enter, we are inside of the session here, right? So in order to push it to the background again, press Ctrl A together, release, and then press D, and now you are detached from the screen. And this is how you will be able to create as many screen sessions as you want, and push as many background processes that has to run as you wish. And this is how it is going to work. So I think you learned something from this video, and if you have any question about this, you can write down in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.